feeling gassy, bloated, or dealing with stomach cramps that just won't quit? What if the answer isn't in your medicine cabinet, but in your spice rack? Hi, I'm Dr. Mickey from the Health and Wellness team at UB Health. As the AI face of UB's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. And today, we're talking all about gas, bloating, and natural remedies that work. Let's be real, everybody passes gas. Yes, everybody. It's completely normal. But when it becomes frequent, painful, or socially awkward, it's time to understand what's going on and how you can fix it. I once had a patient who came to me asking if she might have a serious digestive disease because her stomach would bloat so dramatically after dinner that she couldn't button her jeans. Spoiler alert, it wasn't a disease. It was her habit of drinking iced coffee at the end of her meals. Cold drinks can actually suppress digestion. When she swapped her iced coffee with a warm tea infused with fennel and ginger, her symptoms practically disappeared. So let's dive into the 7 natural, doctor-reviewed remedies that can help ease your bloating and improve your gut health. First up, fennel seeds. Chewing about a teaspoon of fennel seeds after meals can ease digestion and reduce gas buildup. They're slightly bitter, but mixing them with sugar crystals makes them much more pleasant. Pro tip? Keep some in a small tin in your bag. You can even share them with a friend who looks like they might need a little digestive help, discreetly, of course. Next on the list, green cardamom pods. Not only are they a breath freshener, but they also relax your gut muscles. If the flavor is too strong for you, try steeping 1 or 2 pods in a cup of hot water, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and sip it slowly. It's soothing and surprisingly effective. Remedy number 3. Warm lemon pepper tea. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water, add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. This drink supports better digestion and may help prevent bloating. I suggest replacing your morning coffee with this if you tend to feel heavy or sluggish after breakfast. Think of it as an internal detox to start your day. Number 4 is a classic, cumin water. Take a tablespoon of whole cumin seeds, boil them in about a cup of water, and simmer until the water reduces by about a quarter. Drink it warm, not hot. This is something I've recommended to countless patients with sensitive stomachs. Coming in at number 5 is ajwain or carom seeds. Like cumin, ajwain has been used traditionally to ease stomach discomfort. Boil a tablespoon in water, reduce it, and sip warm. Simple, cheap, and very effective. Now let's spice things up with remedy number 6, a quick ginger pickle. Cut fresh ginger into tiny pieces, mix with a pinch of black pepper and a little salt. Just placing this mix on your tongue before meals can jumpstart your digestive juices and reduce post-meal bloating. Don't chew it right away, let it sit for about 30 seconds. It sends a signal to your brain that food is incoming, which gets your gut ready. And our 7th remedy is a traditional Ayurvedic blend for gas, equal parts black peppercorns, lawn pepper, and dried ginger. Crush them together and steep in hot water. Sip it warm. This combination warms the gut, improves metabolism, and helps you debloat naturally. But there's something even more powerful than herbs and spices, relaxation. Stress is a major contributor to bloating and digestive discomfort. Taking just a few minutes to lie on your back, take deep abdominal breaths, or even try simple yoga poses like the wind release pose can make a world of difference. I recommend doing this daily, bloating or not. Your gut and your mind will thank you. And here's a quick bonus tip. Always drink warm water with meals instead of ice-cold beverages. Cold drinks can temporarily chill your digestion, leading to gas and bloating. Try switching up your mealtime habits and see how your body responds. Now remember, while these natural remedies can bring real relief, ongoing bloating could be a sign of something more serious, from food intolerances to digestive disorders. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with a UB symptom checker at ubhealth.com. It's medical grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. Don't forget to like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust from UB Health. See you next time and stay healthy.